role in iWays is that we are the chemical business where to test and evaluate this new technique, where we will use heat pipes as one component, where we will recover energy and a bit of raw material, but also the heat pipe condensing economizer will be a part of our emission reduction system. And then we have the water recovery system, where we will recover water that normally would be sent in the sewer system, or instead of using the municipal water, we will reuse water in our scrubber systems. We have run the heat pipe. It has worked very well, so we have got the transformation of the energy from the gas to the water, and we have also seen reduction of the emissions. The sustainability is a huge part of our DNA nowadays, and has always been, so since we are from using byproduct and not a raw material. So for us it has always been about sustainability in a way. The main part of the heat pipe condensing system is that first of all it will transform the energy from our process gases going out, and we will move that to the cleaning water, so that we get the energy that way. And we will have a lot of condensing happening inside the heat pipe. We'll then also collect some of the emissions that would otherwise go out. It's an extra step for us in our emission control. We have our scrubber systems, but then we finalize with a little touch from the heat pipe, and that will take the last part of the emissions. And then we reduce the municipal water usage. Those are the three big parts in this project for us. We are a lot for sustainability. It's one of our advantages, that we are a very sustainable company, and we want to be in front in sustainability. Crucial for the aluminium industry to have. The energy cost would be so huge if they didn't use aluminium fluoride. And of course, we're not the only producer. There's for the moment excess of aluminium fluoride on the market, so it's a challenging situation for everyone. We see that the aluminium fluoride production will move from using the virgin raw material to fluorosilicic acid, because there is a lot of fluorosilicic acid that today goes to the sea in the world, not in Europe, but in the rest of the world. And so the new production units that are built up producing aluminium fluoride will be produced from fluorosilicic acid instead of the fluorsput. That means that that will be produced where the fluorosilicic acid is, and that is in Morocco or other countries, not Europe. In our process, we need to use clean water to wash both the material that is produced, aluminium fluoride, and the equipment we are using, and we need to clean them with hot water. So we have consumed energy to make this hot water. And with iWays, large part of that energy will be taken from the heat pipe instead. So we will heat up the water using the heat pipe, which takes care of the excess of the process gases going out and taking that heat from the process gases. Then on the water recovery side, We use also a lot of water in our scrubbers, so all process gases is going through scrubber systems to reduce the emissions. And there we will clean the water that we have treated, but we will make an extra treatment of it so we can reuse it in our scrubber system instead of them taking municipal water. So we will save a lot of municipal water in that way and reuse water. We are both using fluorosilicic acid, which is a byproduct, as our main raw material for the aluminium fluoride production, compared to our big competitors using fluorspar, which is a virgin source. And we also use biogas as our main energy source. We also have green electricity that we buy. So we try to do everything which is the most sustainable way of producing aluminium fluoride. We don't have any solid waste. So all the byproducts that we get, we take care of in a way so that it's not to be solid waste anywhere. And we strive all the time to reduce the energy consumption, the material consumptions, and reduce the emissions, even if we are well below the permit we have. We continue to strive lower and lower. We think that iWays will help us a lot with it.